Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use mobile hotspot one-time password on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, click on connections. Now here in connections, click on mobile hotspot and tethering, and then click on mobile hotspot. Now first of all, turn on the hotspot and then scroll down, and here you will see a one-time password option, so tap on this option. So to use the one-time password, first of all turn on this button, and here it will show you the new password of your hotspot. So every time you turn on your hotspot, the password changes. So a user can only connect to your hotspot once with this password, and when you will turn off your hotspot and then turn it back on, the password will be changed. So you can see the password is changed. You can also change it manually by clicking on reset password. So that's how you can use mobile hotspot one-time password on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.